Hey guys, this is Ryan from 180 Sites, and I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys to check out our new Christmas light design template that we've made. We just launched another new site on this design here for Santa's Little Helpers, and just wanted to give you guys a little preview of what we can offer you. I know the season is already here, so we're trying to crank out the sites as fast as we can. Right now, we're trying to get these live in about 10 days. So if you are interested in a site, definitely reach out to us and we can serve you very quickly before more rush orders come in. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview of this new template design we've made and walk you through it. Also, the photos on here we've purchased a license for, so we can actually provide tons of amazing professional high quality images for you. If you already have your own, of course, we'll put those in the site as well. But if you're lacking photos, we've got you covered. So everything about this site is designed to improve your user experience on your site and to increase your perceived value. So that way, when people see that you're sending them a quote for $3,000, they're not freaking out thinking that this was a $99 service. They're coming to this type of site and they know this is high quality. This is probably really expensive, and we can get you as many leads as possible, but also help your sales process. So that way, people are already expecting a premium, high-priced service. So as I said, all these photos in here we have licensed, so we can help you out with those and just display everything about your service and the aspects of it, your unique selling propositions here. Tons of beautiful photos we can get for you guys. Here we have like a little table of what sets them apart specifically against their competitors or just using a general handyman or another lighting company. How are you different? And we're going to lay that out here. This one was a little different than usual, but we kind of tailored it to make it a little different for them. How easy the process is. 1, 2, 3. Get a quote, schedule, sit back and relax in a beautiful, easy to understand way. We can build out your service area so they know exactly what areas you serve. We can mock up a beautiful van for you with your logo, get some reviews in there, some FAQs, and closing call to action. So everything about this site is made for conversion and these beautiful images to go along with it. Some other cool things we can do. If you don't like this design, we also have another one that we could utilize for you. This one has some like animated graphics here. We can make these still so they load faster, but these ones are animated. Scroll through that. These are their own photos. And closing call to action. Something else we can do for you is get you seen on major news networks like Fox, NBC, ABC, CBS, and more, and then put that on your site so you're building trust, credibility, and increasing that perceived value even more. We can do that for you guys if you're interested. The contact pages on here are beautiful as well. Everything is driven to get you to get a fast quote. And on that fast quote page, we can have whatever information you want to collect here. Usually we try to make it even smaller than this. This customer wanted to put a little bit more information in here, like, what's your project budget? This is great here because it definitely lets people know the minimum is $500. They can upload photos of their house if they want, and they can just select what they want. This makes upsells amazing because somebody's going to be like, oh yeah, of course I want my roof, but oh wow, those trees look really nice. Wow, that garage door looks really nice. Oh, you can do the windows too? Okay, I'll select all of those. Oh, pillars as well. So it just makes the upsell process a lot easier, and they visually can select all the areas of their property that they want to get lit up, and then submit the quote request. Then you'll get an email, you'll get a text message. We can push that data into your CRM for you. Everything automated and ready to go for you. And then one other cool thing is if somebody's not on this page, the contact page or the thank you page, and they try to exit the website, when their cursor leaves the screen, they're going to see this pop up. Wait before you go, get $50 off now, new customers only, use code 50 off. And then that will take them to the contact page like you see. This one might be a little different. Yeah, this one's a little shorter, has a little bit different images, same exact idea though. And then you can close more leads that way by having that pop up as a last line of defense for you to get people to take action. Of course, we can have a commercial page, about page, reviews, all that stuff for you. But just wanted to show you a basic gist of the design. Like I said, get your request in soon so that way we can get this live for you as soon as possible. And we have really low cost monthly plans. If you guys want to get started now, we can get this live and working for you this year. And then if not this year, let's start talking about getting it ready for next year. And the sooner the website's up, the more it's going to age, and that's going to help your SEO. And you can just get it all dialed in and ready for next year as well. So if you're interested, go ahead and leave a comment on this thread, and let's chat, and I'll reach out to you. Thanks, guys.